Good morning, hospitality students and professionals. So today I, Shiraz Karade, talent manager of IHM Gurukul, will help you to cover the mini incubator program that is start your own profitable cloud kitchen today. So in this we have covered different videos of Chef Dheeraj Bhandari by showing his experience of starting more than 60 plus cloud kitchen and outlets. So he has shared different lessons in the chapters like introduction to mini incubator program, what is mini incubator, cloud kitchen business, the legal documents required and delivery programs, the total investment and type of models, how to do market research, the kitchen layout area required and equipments. The next is the kitchen hygiene, upselling, packaging and social media. So we will cover in the cheat book of what are the things you need to require for starting the cloud kitchen or plus a take cable. It is a small concept operating in a single brand or multiple brands. It is based on a low risk in terms of capital and in terms of the investment of your time and also the resources. Capital investment which is minimum is 50,000 to 2 lakh with lower culinary skill required. It is easy to set up and can start from your home as well, with monthly expenses are below in your control and less manpower required for your cloud kitchen with less legal formalities. Apart from that, you can have a detailed outlook on your legal requirements in your locality as well. The prime location not mandatory for the setup, which requires less space and area. Possibility of scalabilities are in the franchisee model. Plus, for the restaurant or kiosk or takeaway, it is a small concept with a medium risk and a medium capital investment of 4 lakh to 7 lakh with a lower culinary skill required and a model setup required for lower monthly expenses and less manpower. You don't have to worry much about the high salaries here, and we have the legal formalities. Apart from that, you need to have licenses for the different food license as per your food nature, as per your food business nature. If you are having a bartender or if you are running any other food ingredients, you need to have the proper license of that. And if you are running in night or in other duration, you need to have the proper formalities. Plus, which location to choose, it should be the prime or the crowded area, and it should have a rest space required. It can work well. The possibilities of scalabilities is in the franchisee model. For fine dining restaurant, it is a big concept with full service. It involves high risk and high capital investment. Professional country experience is required here from head chef or from sous chef. It is difficult to set up. Plus, there are high monthly expenses and more manpower issues arises in when manpower leaves in between important project. So you need to have proper contracts with them, and you don't need to hire the manpower in a bulk quantity. So you can have the manpower in separate with having no relation between them. So that will act as a advantage to you. It has some more legal formalities to your business with a prime location that is more mandatory for your restaurant. It requires a big space, and the possibilities of scalabilities is in the franchisee model, and it has a more revenue opportunity. So you can have a detailed outlook on each of the video about the introduction part, the what is the definition of a mini incubator cloud kitchen business, the legal documents required for your location, the total investment and the models to work, the types of market research to do in the initial stage, and the kitchen layout you need to prepare for area and the equipments you need to have in each stages, and the kitchen hygiene policies which need to be followed for your staff. What is the proper uniform, the proper food safety ingredients, the proper washing techniques, and what are the groomings, and all the things are covered in the kitchen hygiene. Plus the upselling and packaging and social media for your marketing of your cloud kitchen in Zomato or any other media or any other social media that you are using before. And you, if you are any facing you any questions in this, you can also comment on the IHM Gurukul open community section or in the course below of each of the video. If you are facing any payment issues in enrolling in this book, or if you are confused between which degree to or diploma to choose, you can contact on the same number which is mentioned in the description box. And if you are having any other questions, you can comment below and we will help you to clear them. Thank you.